draws near and the adrenaline is starting to flow.
Hey, what can we say? Hockey delivers, and delivering it in this game are the Philadelphia Flyers and the Detroit Red Wings. Offside, Philadelphia. The face-off goes to the Red Wings. Adams. Smolinski was offside. McCarthy. Yzerman fires! Saved by Czechmanic. Williams. Therien gets hold of the puck. It's 2-on-1. Gagne now has the puck. Nieuwendyk. Yzerman, hard shot.
That shot, of course, characterized by its wideness.
Nieuwendyk takes possession of the puck. Primo grabs it. Gagne took it. Gagne scores right upstairs.
The puck gets popped out and popped in.
The goalie made the save, but he gave up a juicy rebound.
And everything came up oranges for the shooter. Peachy. I think they would like to view this as an unfortunate accident.
And never speak of it again.
Which we won't, until the postgame.
Lemieux is down on the ice.
Boy, if he hurt his back there, he may have to leave this game. That would be a real shame.
The trainer's helping him out of here, so he must be in some pain.
But he could still return, Jim. He could still return.
Johnson should have stopped right there when he saw the numbers on the back of the guy's sweater.
Checking from behind is not cool, kids.
Shanahan. Shoots the puck. Scores!
I think even the goalie is considering shaking his hand after that amazing goal.
Detroit gets some much-needed offense.
You can say that again.
Some much-needed offense.
Hey, I'll do the comedy around here, buddy.
Therien scoops up the loose puck. That's offside. Nieuwendyk. Yzerman has it now. Philadelphia with it now. Roenick in the clear. Shoots the puck. Joseph made the huge save. Hrdina. Nieuwendyk cranks it. Denied by Czechmanic.
And I couldn't be happier for him.
Saved by Czechmanic. Leclerc. Recchi gets the puck. Delayed call against Brewer. Saved by Joseph.
Maybe the shooter zigged when he should have zagged.
Brewer will serve time for slashing.
Look at how smoothly that penalty box door swings open to let him in, Jim. They must oil it on a regular basis.
Philadelphia has a chance to open up its offense.
A one-man advantage like this can be a huge factor.
Caberlet shoots the puck from the right. He misses the net. Leclerc takes control of the puck. Brewer has done his penalty time, and that means his team is no longer down a man. Yzerman grabs the puck. Delayed penalty coming up for Philadelphia. Nemechek gets called for cross-checking.
This player is going to spend some quality time with the timekeeper in the penalty box.
Scores! Even the other team is feeling a little in awe of that one.
Though the pain of being scored against probably numbs it.
That puts them up by 1 in the scoring column.
Advantage, those guys.
Hrdina gets hold of the puck.
Assisted by number 47,
Nieuwendyk.
Nicholas Lidstrom.
And that's icing. White. Recchi takes possession of the puck. Roenick. Taken out. Lidstrom scoops up the loose puck. Adams grabbed it. Smolinski. White shoots. Door slammed shut by Czechmanic. Czechmanic freezes the puck. Primo has it. Gagne! Saved by Joseph!
The shot was rejected like an old girlfriend.
Primo with the puck. He gets laid out.
Kajaka! That hit was spectacular.
Barron takes control of the puck.
He put the puck through his legs just to prove a point. What that point was, I'm not sure.
Primo takes possession of the puck.
The sun has set on the first period, but soon the second period will go.
Oh, man.
Hi, and welcome back to the game I can't get enough of, which is good, because I'm stuck in this computer chip, isolated. It looks like that war of words just reverted to a plain old war.
Primo is ejected from the game over this little brawl.
Sometimes you're better off saving your fighting spirit for the game, Jim.
Absolutely. McGillis shoots it quickly.
A 5-minute major for
Kuba.
fighting, 2 minutes for instigating, and the game...
Schaefer with the puck.
The penalty will be served by number 13, David Harlock, Detroit penalty.
Leclerc gets it.
One hand is all you need when you can deke like that.
Philadelphia killed the penalty, and we've returned to 5-on-5 hockey. Roenick now with the puck. Cranks one. Joseph, great save. Janssen fires from the left. Joseph with a stick save.
That there's some quality goaltending there, Jimbo. Yeah.
Schaefer scores, top shelf.
If there's no such thing as a perfect goal, then I guess that last one was just a figment of my imagination.
Detroit now ahead by 2 early in the second.
What a vibrant, full-bodied league, full of shimmer and shine.
Nieuwendyk is a goal short of making the 500 career goal mark.
When he does make it, it will be a major accomplishment.
Roenick! He's with the puck, mowed down.
Hey, he's a professional. He loves taking hits like that. Okay, maybe not.
Roenick, Therien gets hold of the puck. McCarthy runs over Gagne. Williams grabs the puck. Nemechek. Scooped up by Detroit. Nieuwendyk. Herdina. Shot blocked. Quick shot. Pad saved by Czechmanic. He came up with a puck,
Which is way better than a rabbit.
Turgeon in alone with a wrist shot. Missed the net. Williams. Nemechek takes possession of the puck. White. Smolinski got it. Philadelphia gobbles it up. Turgeon pulls the puck through his legs.
And leaves the defender wondering what just happened.
Smolinski. Brindle gets hold of the puck. Turgeon shoots it. Joseph gets the blocker on it.
The key to making saves is timing.
Adams. Saved by Czechmanic. Turgeon. Lidstrom scoops up the loose puck. Caberlet now has it. White grabbed it. Smolinski fires it. Saved by Czechmanic. Roenick. He gets laid out.
I do believe he's just discovered a new part of his body that can ache.
He gets shoved. Stoned by Czechmanic.
He has the opposing players shaking their heads out there.
Detroit has a player down, and he's not getting up.
I always hate to see an injury, Jim. Let's hope he's okay.
We figured his injury may be too bad to play with.
And we were right. He's going to the locker room.
Leclerc. McCarthy jumps on the loose puck. A delayed penalty call against Barron.
Do you have a special
Barron is going to the box for cross-checking.
Jim, have you ever noticed how much slower players skate to the penalty box than to the players' bench?
Detroit will need to play smart now.
Well, they've always got to play smart. They've just got to play extra smart now, like Einstein smart.
Like you done.
Not that smart. 40 minutes down, 20 to go. Unless it goes into overtime. Then it could be 25 minutes to go. Or 30 minutes. Anyway, you get my point. As we get ready to resume this game, I reflect back to the intermission very fondly. Thanks for calling me the greatest human being you've ever met, Jim.
I didn't say that. I said you're a total disgrace to the broadcasting profession.
Wow, did I ever hear that one wrong?
Barron shoots the puck from the left. Grabbed by Philadelphia. Brewer goes offside and the play is stopped. Nieuwendyk. Herdina gets the shot off. Czechmanic hangs on for the whistle. Gagne. Philadelphia just saw one of its players fall to injury.
And the whole bench jumped up at once. They want a penalty.
Turgeon is out for now.
He's going to nurse his injury for a bit, see how it feels, and maybe we'll see him back in the game.
Hope so. Recchi. Shoved.
Warning, this product may be harmful to your health.
Joseph made the save. Barron with the puck. McCarthy gets it. Yzerman takes it. Herdina shoots! Saved by Czechmanic. Lidstrom fires! Leclerc gets in the way. Roenick. Lidstrom takes possession of the puck. Yager got it. Fires! Turned away.
He's on a one-man mission to purge the net of pucks. One shot at a time.
Czechmanic freezes the puck. Lidstrom rips it.
That shot really needed to be better.
Adams wrist shot. Czechmanic makes the save. Recchi. Leclerc shoots quickly. Philadelphia puts its second line out. Hits the post. White takes control of the puck. Lidstrom grabs it. Smolinski. Adams shoots. Nemecek. Tocchet now with the puck. Detroit has it now. Smolinski. He takes possession. Herdina shoots it from the left. McCarthy got it. Shoots it. Czechmanic denies him.
The goalie really understands the concept of positioning.
Tocchet.
Let's take another look at what happened, Jim.
He cross-checked him very hard right there.
That's a purely emotional reaction. He needs to keep a better hold on those emotions.
Roenick. The Flyers dump the puck in. Brewer takes control. Leclerc, backhanded shot. Leclerc. Breakaway. Shoots the puck. Stick save. Leclerc stands him up. Schaefer jumps on the loose puck. Blocked. Therien with the puck. Roenick. Hanzus. Czechmanic is skating to the bench.
The extra guy may help, but 2 goals is a large assignment. Who am I kidding? They'll never do it. Never!
Brewer picks up the puck from Joseph. White has it. Smolinski took it. Delayed call. Herdina shoots the puck. He scores on the empty net.
The goalie will tell you what just flew by him was a bullet, not a butterfly.
Detroit goal.
Roenick rubbed off the puck. Grabbed by Philadelphia.
Assisted by number 21, Brian Smolinski, and by number 28.
Roenick fires it. Blocked. Saros shoots it. Roenick blocked. Yzerman takes control of the puck. Barron stops the shot. Yzerman with the puck. Yzerman fires it. Williams. McCarthy runs over Picard. Joseph makes the save. Nieuwendyk jumps on the loose puck. And we're all done here now. Detroit takes away the victory.
I like it when I see a team that's able to play well at both ends of the ice. These guys pretty much set up camp across the other team's blue line.
For Detroit, number 38.